5 reasons why you need to find a niche as a freelancer. Finding a niche is an essential part of being a freelancer. It helps you to define your business clearly and sets you up as an expert for your future clients. This presentation will guide you through the most important reasons why you should make the choice to narrow down your business and find a niche. When starting a freelance business, you will, of course, have decided what it is that you will be doing. Whilst a broad business idea can seem compelling in the beginning, over time, it should be narrowed down to a specific niche. There are many reasons that finding a niche can be beneficial to your freelance business. If you do not have one yet, it will not be of too much of a detriment. If you are still new to freelancing, whilst you work, over time, consider targeting your content towards a specific niche once you have decided what you want to do. No rush. Nevertheless, you should still be thinking about it. First, the ultimate reason to find a niche is that you want to be doing something that you are both good at and passionate about. Figure out what your expertise is and make that your niche. Playing to your strengths is the best thing that you can possibly do for your freelance business. The key to success is finding something that you are both good at as well as being passionate about. This will lead to a better quality of life for you as well as better results for your clients. Secondly, a specific service is easier to market. Rather than broadly marketing a freelance service, you will be able to specifically market your niche, especially towards your target clients. You can market a niche service in the locations where people within that niche will find it. This leads into the third reason for defining a niche, your target clients. Once you have found people who align with your niche, work with them and build a positive reputation within your industry. This will lead to notoriety on your part and cause your clients to recommend you, and your business will grow. Once you have found a niche, there will be less competition for your services. The broader your business, the more people you will have to compete with. Narrowing down your freelance business will also decrease your competition, strengthening your position as a leader in your niche. Having a niche makes you more reputable and more recognized in your area. This is a huge form of free marketing to cement yourself as an industry leader in your specialization. Finally, once you have a niche, you are able to charge a premium price for your services. The more specialized your niche, the more of an expert you seem, and therefore the more you can charge for your services. You may have to alter your business and your services to better fit your niche, which is a natural part of business growth. It is a sign of success in the freelance world. In conclusion, your niche can become more specified as your business grows. You do not have to commit to something incredibly narrow right away. Over time, narrow down and define your niche more clearly to grow your freelance business.